stormy and dark night, 2-year-old little fox McCloud woke up crying. I'm scared, he said. And he got up from his little bed and ran to his mommy. And he bumped into his mother, and his mother said, "Oh, sweetie, are you okay? Did I hurt you?" "No, Mommy," he said, grabbing onto her nightgown, and he hugged her tightly, and he said, "Mommy, I'm scared." "Why, baby? What happened?" "It's scary thunder." "Oh, yes, thunder can be scary. Right, Fox?" "It's so scary." "Yes, scary." "It's alright, baby. Shh. Mommy's here now. It's okay. Don't worry. Everything will be alright. Everything will be okay. Shh, 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 shh. It's alright, baby. It's alright. It's alright. There, she said, wrapping her arms around Fox as he began to cry, and little tears were coming down his little cheeks, and his mommy held him with her arms, and she said, "It's alright, baby. There, it's alright." "I'm scared, Mommy." And when little Fox saw the lightning, he ran and hid behind his mommy. He said, "Mommy, make it go away. I'm scared." "I can't make it go away, sweetie." "Why not, Mommy?" "Because I can't. I can't control it, you know." "Why?" "Because I can't, baby. I'm sorry." "Can I have Milky the special way?" "Of course." Yummy. This is yummy, my little one. Okay. And when Fox saw the lightning, he hid himself under his mommy's nightgown and said, "Mama." Shh. "It's alright, baby. I'm here. It's alright, dear." Shh. And then later on, when Fox was full of the milk, his mommy said, "Come here, baby. I want to show you something." "Okay. Do you see this picture?" "Yeah. That's you when you were a baby." "I look so cute." "Yes, you do, sweetie. And look at this one. This is me holding you when I got you from the hospital. And this is you with food all over your face. And this picture is my favorite." "Why?" "Because I'm tickling you. Tickle. Mommy. My baby boy. Do you feel better now?" "Yeah, I want more kisses." "Okay." My little pup, I love you so much. Can I have a kiss too, Fox? You don't want to give a kiss to Mommy? Just kidding. Aw, thank you, honey. Oh, I'm sleepy. Sleepy? Okay, let's get you back in bed. But first, let's change you. You're stinky. Okay. Alright, let's take off these stinky little pants. Alright, let's change your little diaper. There we go. Now let's put on some clean pants. There. Feel better? Okay. Alright, now let's put you back in your little bed here. Mommy. Yes, dear? I love you. I love you too, Fox. Where's my teddy bear? Oh, here he is, honey. Now close your eyes, and I want you to know something. What? That I will always love you, no matter what you do. And I love your little paws. Ooh, sticky paws. Mommy. Okay, I'm kidding. Your paws are not stinky. And they're cute. Just like you. My little baby. Mommy, I'm a big boy. Yes, I know, but you'll always be my baby, no matter what. Okay? Okay. Oh, and Fox? I love you. I love you too. So much, Mama. Hey, Mommy? I love you so much. Oh, I love you too. Good night, my dear. Good night, Mommy. See